Hello everyone. In this course, we will learn how to create an ad from the Meta Business Suite. This is a result I have gathered for the past 24 hours, my reach, post engagement, link clicks. So we'll learn how to create an ad. Mind you, the post I am going to be using was already pre-planned for this class. Plus, the audience I will be using was already saved. Furthermore, in this lesson, I will teach you how to create or save your own audience. Now, the KPI I want to achieve is to get more messages. Get more messages. I want people who can message me or buy the product from me or seek information about my services or something. The more message button or more message KPI is best for such purposes. Now we have other KPIs like link clicks that take people to your website, or other KPIs like page like promoting your Meta business page. You can just choose on and on. Now use a post. I will just pick a post from my page which was already pre-planned for the sake of this lesson. You can see I don't have enough or so many posts. You see, I don't have enough posts on this page. I just made this one personally for this course. Now, when you scroll to a post you like to use, you just click on the use post, and the post will automatically appear in the Meta Business Suite. So you see here are the ad copy, the the ad preview will soon appear. You see, you have the reach and the replies. Estimated reach per day is about 616 to 1.9 thousand. Here is an headline you can always change. You can change this headline to something else. Let's just say lesson. See, we have that as lesson. Now, the message will be going to our inbox, our messenger. Furthermore, in this course, this class, you will learn how to link your WhatsApp account, your Instagram account to your Meta business page. Here, it has not been linked yet. I will teach you how to link it in the other courses. So you just scroll down. Now your audience. Remember, we saved here audiences I have saved already. Furthermore, in this course, I will teach you how to save an audience. This is Asia. You can just choose the Asian audience. Running an ad is as easy as ABC. You can run ad from a Meta Business Suite, very easy. And I guarantee you are still going to reach your audience. You are still going to reach the same people you wish to reach, the same people, the same audience, the same buyers, or you can still get the same engagement. You see, here are people between 35 years who are interested in food or clothing. This is an audience I have already saved for Asia. This means that this advert or this campaign is basically going to Asian people. Now, another part is to set the duration of your. How many days do you want your advertising campaign to run? Here, I can say there are 30 days in a month, so let's just say 30 days. Mind you, if you are not up to this point, you can pause the video and start afresh, or pause the video and up until you get to this point. Or if you have a question, you can easily ask me in the Q&A section. Another part is to set your daily budget. Now your daily budget can be in naira, can be in dollar, can be in pounds, can be in euros. You can just set your daily budget. So I am using 3,000 every day. Now 3,000 will be multiplied by the number of days your campaign will run plus a standard VAT charges from Meta, which you see here VAT. They have estimated VAT will be added to your total budget to get to the total amount you will have to pay for your ad. Now, here is the placement. The placement is showing Facebook, Instagram, Messenger. This means that your campaign can be shown or can be seen, or people can view it from Facebook, from Instagram, and from Messenger. If you want to turn off any of them, you can just click and turn it off. Now, here is the payment method. Furthermore, in this class, I will teach you how to add payment method to your business page. Here, you can just click if you want to turn off anyone, if you don't want the advertising campaign to be shown or be seen on any of these platforms or placements, you can just turn it off. I'll teach you how to add payment methods um, furthermore in this course. So let's just see how our campaign looks like. Let's just see how it is gonna look when it goes live. So this is exactly how the ad copy looks like. This is exactly what the audience are going to see. Now, without wasting much time, let's promote our page. Click on the promote now, and you see your campaign will be submitted for Meta to review. Mind you, if you are not up to this point or you have any question, you can always ask me in the Q&A section. You can bring up a question and I am sure to attend to you.